Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to share an Amazon gift receipt. This is a handy feature when you've sent a gift to someone and want to provide them with a receipt that shows what they received without revealing the price you paid. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Next, move your mouse cursor to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and order history. Now, although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through what happens next. Once you're on the Orders page, scroll through your order history and locate the specific order containing the gift you want to share a receipt for. When you find it, look for the option that says Share Gift Receipt and click on it. A new window will appear showing all the items included in that particular order. Here, you'll need to select the specific item you want to share the gift receipt for. This is especially useful if your order contained multiple items and you only want to share the receipt for one of them. After selecting the item, click Share Gift Receipt again to proceed. At this point, a pop-up window will display with a shareable link. This link contains the gift receipt information without showing the price. You have two options here. You can either click the copy button provided or you can manually highlight the link and copy it yourself. Both methods work perfectly fine. Once you've copied the link, you're all set to send it to the gift recipient. You can share this link through any communication method you prefer, whether that's a text message, email, or even a chat app like WhatsApp or Messenger. When they click the link, they'll be able to view the gift receipt showing what was purchased for them without seeing how much you spent. And there you have it. You've successfully shared an Amazon gift receipt, making it easy for your recipient to see what they received while keeping the price private. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.